Friends, I am sourish. Today we learn some sound experiment. Some objects give us unpleasant sound. Some give us pleasant sound. So we learn unpleasant sound, pleasant sound. What sound is this? What sound does it produce? Yes, you are right. You say unpleasant sound. Yes. And what is this? This is a wood block bowl. This bit unpleasant sound. And what? Which I strike. I hit help of this spoon on the steel bowl. Okay. This a pleasant sound. Wow. And I strike a little bit here on the china bowl, china plate bowl. Pleasant sound. And we shall learn what is sound this glass bowl. Not on the sun, not on air, with help of spoon. Okay, ready? Wow, pleasant sound. So look at unpleasant sound, unpleasant sound, pleasant sound, pleasant sound, pleasant sound. These are pleasant sound and these are unpleasant sound. Friends, we do the experiment that. So friends, we do the experiment that some materials produce pleasant sound, some material produce unpleasant sound. So friends, do you like this video? If like, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video. Okay? So no more today. Bye bye.